Hi guys! Today we're going to show you how to sew your own mask. So this video is for those who have a sewing machine. If you don't, you can buy a really simple one, just a regular single needle sewing machine. I use the brand Brother. I got mine at Costco. It was about $180 and there was like a $50 rebate. So I bought it for about $130. So Costco has a lot of discounts. So definitely check them out. Or you can try like Joan Fabrics, or you can go to also downtown, or Amazon has great stuff too. You don't need like a fancy one, you just need a regular single needle sewing machine. So let's get started. Materials. You're going to need some fabric, and I'm all about recycling. I'm going to recycle these camo pants that my husband no longer wears. You're going to need this pattern, which I'm going to put in the link below, and you'll need some elastic. If about 10 inches is going to do, and you cut it into two, so about 5 inches times 2. You can use regular hair ties too. And then big fabric scissors. You could use regular scissors as well. So first thing, you're going to cut a piece of the leg off. This is always a heart-dropping process because you're cutting off some pants. And I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. You don't have to, you could just cut right on top, but I just decided to put it together so it's a little neater. And then you pin your pattern onto your fabric, just a little bit on each corner, and then you cut out the pattern and the fabric together. So first, you're going to put the pieces right sides together and sew the round edge. You should cut off all the small threads in the process. Then you cut your lining and you sew the round side together, the same as you did the self, which is the camo. Then you're going to put the right sides together and sew the top. You want to make sure that the fabric is right next to each other at the seams. And when you get to the corner, you pivot. You lift your foot and you pivot. And then you also sew the bottom part. You want to sew the bottom together. I like to make the lining a little bit further out, just so it holds it better. You want to flip it inside out. And then I decided to give it a top stitch because I want the self and the lining to stick together a little better, and also sort of makes it look nicer if you put a little top stitch on top. Top stitch should be like an 1/8 inch away from the edge. And then it's time to put the elastic in. I ended up using just about like 3 to 4 inches of the elastic. I didn't need to make it that long, so I ended up adjusting it. But you want to fold in the self part about 1/2 inch, and then put the elastic, sandwich the elastic inside the self and the lining. See how it's being folded in? And then you put the elastic in, you sandwich it in, and then you top stitch it. I would go run it back and forth a couple times just so you know that it's like stable and won't rip out. So yeah, you could sew on the elastic and then adjust it afterwards, adjust it to your face, and then you could tie it so you can untie and use it for somebody that has a larger face. But the size is actually perfect for adults, men, women, and children. You just need to adjust the elastic. So there you are. You have clean front, clean back, nicely sewn mask, and it's pretty sturdy because it's twill fabric, and it has a nice camo fashion look. So thank you for watching this video, you guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will come back with more content, more useful content. And due to COVID-19, we have more time to make videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.